In this session, we're going to talk about the count function in SQL and MS Access. Now, the count function, again, like other numeric functions in SQL, is again an aggregate function. And the first thing to know about the count function is that it is needs to be applied only with the group by clause, except for one exception, which we are later going to discuss. But beforehand, let's create up a target for this session. So right now, I am looking for say creating up. I'm just trying to find out how many analysts or how many managers and how many senior analysts and team leads do I have in my organization. Now, to create such kind of query, all I need to do is I need to uh, from the table paycheck, I need to group by all of the values by designation and then select designation variable and then count how many times does these individual designations appear in my data set. So what is literally going to do at the backend is it is going to sort the whole data set and then form groups of different designations. So it is of analyst, of manager, senior analyst, and then team lead. And when I'm going to run this query, it is going to find out that the analyst designation appears thrice, the manager designation appears 4 times, 3 times for senior analyst, and 1 time for team lead. So now I'll run this query. I hope to get the right results, and there it is. So for the designation of analyst, the count of the designations is 3 and 4 for manager, 3 for senior analyst, and 1 for team lead. This is exactly what we discussed just in the previous version of this video, and I think we got the right answers. Now, there's one important exception to the group by clause in this session is that if we are not hell bent on using the group by clause over here, and we have to delete the designation from the select clause also and leave the query just like this. So is it is going to count this whole table as one group, and then it is going to count the different type of designations that are applied in this data set. So it is going to ignore that which row contains analyst, which row contains manager or senior analyst or team lead. It is simply going to count how many designations does there exist in this whole table, which is exactly 11 in number. So that is what we are expecting to get. So let's run the query. So there you get the total number of designations in my paycheck table is 11, which is exactly what we wanted as an answer. So this is all about the count function in MS Access SQL. Thank you for watching.